different plans: basic plan, essential plan, and pro plan. The basic difference is the number of domains. Here you can host only one single domain, only one single website in this particular plan, and in these two plans you can host any amount of domains, any amount of website on a single plan. Okay, the essential plan is the one which you should go with. If you are using a e-commerce website, I would recommend you a pro plan, because you also get a private SSL and IP address, which is very, very important for any e-commerce website. But if you're creating just a simple business website or a blog, you should go with essential plan. So click on this sign up now button. The first option is to choose a domain. You have to enter the domain which you want. For example, if I want nayeshake1, then I can put in nayeshake1. I can select .com, .site, .online, whatever I want. Now as you can see, it says added to primary. If you want more websites, you can select all this, whichever you like, just tick mark, and all these things will be added. I want only one, so I'm selecting that. Okay, if you want to add privacy protection, you can tick mark this. If you don't want, you can just untick this. Now by default, the 36 months is selected. Okay, and you're getting a 40% discount. If you select 12 months, you'll get 25% discount. Okay, and I'll recommend you to go with 36 months. The reason is very simple. When you go with 36 months, you get a 60% off, which I'm going to show you how you'll get a 60% off. So you'll get a 60% off for 3 years. But if you select 12 months, you'll get that 60% off for only 1 year, and for next year when you want to upgrade, you will have to pay the full price. So I would personally recommend you to go with 36 months. Now enter any username you want. You can just enter anything over here. Now security pin is nothing but 4-digit number, so just put in any 4 to 8 digit number. Now here you have to put in your billing cycle. Okay, your email address, first name, last name, company name, address, whatever this information are, and payment options. If you want to make payment through credit card or debit card, you can select this and enter all your information over here. If you want to make payment through PayPal, you can select PayPal from here. Now moving forward, you have some additional services. We don't need any of this, so just untick all these things. Now here is the most important thing, the coupon code. Now put in NAYAR60, NAYAR 60, and click on validate. Now as you can see, you're getting a whopping 60% discount. Now let's scroll further, scroll up over here. And now here, instead of 40%, you can see 60% off. So this is very, very helpful. Okay, now click on tick mark over here. I have read and agree to terms and services, and click on this checkout now button. Once you do so, you'll receive an email from Hostgator. This is very important email because it has your username, your password, your name servers, your server IP, and so on. So you should consider saving this email address and noting all these different links and different information which is provided over here, because these are really important information. Now what you have to do, you have to open this control panel link in a new tab. Now copy your username and password from here and paste it over here and click on login. This is your Hostgator cPanel. Most of the company have a very similar cPanel. Now what you have to do, you have to go to this software section, and the first option is quick install. Click on quick install. Now from here you have to select WordPress. Select your domain on which you want to install WordPress. If you're doing this for the first time, you should see only one particular domain name over here, and make sure your directory box is empty. There is nothing over there. Now click on next. Now put in any blog title to your website, to your blog, whatever you're selecting. Select any username. Enter your first name, your last name. Now put in your admin email address. Tick mark this terms of service agreement and click on install. Okay, so your website progress is over here. So WordPress is getting installed on your website. Okay, so now we see the installation details. Okay, this is the website. This is the username, password. What you have to do, click on this, copy this password. Click on this login. In fact, open this login in a new tab. Okay, so this is how it will look like, your domain name /wp-admin. Now here put in your username and paste the password which you just copied from here and click on login. Okay guys, so with this we have completed this video. WordPress is successfully installed on our website using the Hostgator. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you want to learn how to create websites using Hostgator and WordPress, there are many different videos on my YouTube channel. You can check them out. Very useful videos. I have a great variety of videos, for example, e-commerce website, social networking website, Avada theme, business websites, and so on. I hope this video was also helpful to you. If it was helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also give a thumbs up to this video, and thanks a lot for watching.